Welcome. Today we have a vintage coat and I would like to show you the details. Personally, I really like this dress. It's sweet, it's not too complicated, it is a piece of clothing that many people will understand, will have a feel. But I have a caution here, it will not suit every body type. So if you are quite small and slim fitting, it will look gorgeous, especially if you have long legs. But if you are quite full, I would not recommend this type of fabric and not the same model as well. To make it look pretty on the inside, the lining has a piping, and the piping has been made simply of the same fabric as the lining. It has not even a cord in it, it's just a smaller piece of lining in between, stitched in between the fabric and the lining, which looks pretty. It is a way to add a piping without having a proper piping and keeping everything quite flat, which is a bonus, I think, for this type. What is quite exceptional for this coat is that it is closed with a zipper, which was in that time quite new and interesting feature, but also not good. The belt with the real beautiful buckle and making a bold statement, and at the same time, because it's made of the same fabric, it is only the buckle almost that you see. And still it gives some structure to the coat, which I really like. A lot of fake is in it, no real, not all pockets are real, some are just the label and a nice button on it. But they have created a lot of effect in this small piece of work.